Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new and super simple method to get Delta Executor on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see here on my iPhone, I already have it installed and it works flawlessly. I'll also be showing you that the same method works on Android as well, so no matter what device you're using, you're covered. One of the best things about this method is that it doesn't require any keys at all. That means you don't have to deal with annoying verification steps or waiting around. You can start using Delta Executor immediately after installing it. Now, I know a lot of you might think this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is watch this video carefully and follow each step exactly as I show it. I'll guide you through the entire process so you don't get confused or miss anything. So take a minute, get your device ready, and let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, open your settings, go to General, and make sure Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app run smoothly in the background. Next, go into Battery Settings and turn off Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode can slow things down, and we definitely don't want that. Once those settings are done, you're ready to continue. Now open your internet browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, and go to delta-install.com. This is the website where you can download Delta Executor. When you're on the site, you'll see some information about Delta and how it works. To download it, just tap the download button and choose your device, Apple or Android. The download might take a moment depending on your internet connection, but once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation page telling you the app has been installed and to check your home screen. At that point, Delta Executor should appear on your home screen and you're good to go. If this is your first time using the site, there may be a couple of extra steps. But don't worry, it's really easy. You'll be redirected to a page with a short video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. You'll just need to install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are safe and secure, so there's nothing to worry about. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.